So this is how you get your free tree identification guides. You follow the link that I've posted on this video and you scroll down and press on Winter Tree Guide, Summer Tree Guide or the Pest and Disease Guide. Let's click on the Winter Tree Guide to see how it works. So it's opened up a PDF on my phone here, and if I zoom in you can see that we're identifying the trees by their bark, by their buds, or if they're an evergreen like holly, it will identify them with the leaf as well. And you'll notice on the Winter Tree Guide it only has the common names, so you would have to look up the botanical names. These are all common names for the tree in the UK. Now I'm just going to pinch and zoom back out again on my iPhone. You can see how easy it is to zoom in and out. On my iPhone, I'm going to click on the little box with the arrow pointing upwards at the bottom, and it's going to take me to this menu, and I'm going to add to home screen. That will link a little widget on my home screen of my phone, and you can see all I need to do is name it. So I can name it whatever I like. Just click away there and it will create a widget. There we go, and there it is. So you can see the little tree guide there next to my B&Q widget, and all I would do is just press on that and it will open up in the web browser the tree guide. You can of course print this out onto a printer, so you can access this via the web link onto your computer as well. You can save it as a PDF, or you can do what I did just there with my iPhone, took a screenshot and I'm just cropping it to size. So there we go, I've just cropped it to size, and I'll save that as a photo on my phone so I can access it and again pinch and zoom in and out as much as I like. Now here's the summer guide just to show you very quickly. What I like about the summer guide is it has a nice little journey on it of how you identify between trees, and also it has the botanical names, so you can see the crabapple there. You can see the ash, the Fraxinus excelsior. So it's really good. Now let's have a very quick look at the pest and disease one. So here's the pest and disease one, and it helps you identify common pests and diseases for our most common trees. Here you can see there's the oak section there. So you can sort of work out what the tree is, then work out what the disease is if it's a common one. It's not comprehensive at all, but it's a nice little guide, and there's a general section as well for sort of general pests and diseases. So there we have it, free tree guides. These were made by the Field Studies Council, so well done to them.